We are Navahine o Kamehameha, the women of the Royal Order of Kamehameha. It has been a collective effort from all of our members to make lei, have lei demonstrations, and kind of share the olelo about the different type of leis. Our effort is to show our craft, to show what we do, to raise a little money, but to support the Moana Loa Hula Festival. It's Peninsula.
We've been doing this maybe for approximately 5 years. We got blessed by a little rain this morning, but other than that, it's been nice. It looks like there's a good crowd. Everyone's happy that this is back in person. We are selling nice ice cold shave ice, drinks, snacks. This helps us with our service projects. Annually, we hold a Christmas luncheon for the Ho'opono School of the Blind. We also provide students with a goodie bag. Yeah, it's a great event, and the Santa comes.
This organization is called Ulana Mikaloko Maikai, which means to weave with the goodness within. And we've been with Prince Lot. I can't actually recall how long we've been with Prince Lot. That's how long we've been with Prince Lot. Well, one of our mission statements is to have community engagement. And so we do what we call make and take. And it's primarily for the children, but we love to teach adults too. And behind us are all our club members, and they're making fish and stars, Eva, and then we make bookmarks if they'd like. And if they're adults and they're elu, they can make a pineapple. The club was actually founded to perpetuate hat making.
11 years ago, they asked me to do the Prince La Hula Festival design for them, for the poster, and that's how it started. I did the first one. They kept asking me every year. I believe we're on our 11th, maybe the 12th year. People are just wonderful. They've been very receptive. They're happy to be at the festival. I've signed posters for people as well, which is a real fun thing to do. Can't wait to do this again next year.
So today we've decided instead of selling musubis and sandwiches or drinks, we're just gonna give away a lot of stuff. So we're giving away temporary tattoos, stickers, free Slurpee coupons, lima kokua books. They have to spin this handy dandy little wheel, and it's completely random. We're giving away a lot of stickers today, so we actually have a lot of snacks and food left over. So people are getting some free food now. The atmosphere is amazing. It's so great to see so many, Hawaiian culture, arts and crafts, and to watch the hula has just been amazing. I hardly ever get to attend festivals like these, so it's been really fun to be a part of it.